Q6025, which is generally the more effective way for an instructor to properly motivate learners. A. Maintain pleasant personal relationships with learners. B. Provide positive motivations by the promise or achievement of rewards. C. Reinforce their self-confidence by requiring no tasks beyond their ability to perform. The correct answer is B. It highlights the importance of positive motivations and the use of rewards to incentivize and motivate learners. Positive motivations, such as rewards, recognition, praise, or other forms of positive reinforcement, can be powerful drivers of engagement and effort in the learning process. When learners see the potential for desirable outcomes or rewards, they are more likely to be motivated and committed to the task at hand. Q6026. Motivations in the form of reproof and threats should be avoided with all but the learner who is A. Overconfident and impulsive. B. Avidly seeking group approval. C. Experiencing a learning plateau. The correct answer is A. It identifies a specific type of learner who may respond differently to motivations in the form of reproof and threats. Learners who are overconfident and impulsive may require a different approach to motivation, as they may already possess a strong sense of self-assurance and tend to act without much consideration for potential consequences. In such cases, reproof and threats may serve as a reality check or a means to highlight the importance of accountability and responsible behavior. Q6017. The mental grouping of affiliated perceptions is called A. Insights. B. Association. C. Conceptualization. The correct answer is A. Insights refer to the process of mentally grouping or connecting affiliated perceptions, ideas, or concepts. Insights involve making connections, recognizing patterns, and forming meaningful wholes from individual perceptions or pieces of information. When insights occur, individuals gain a deeper understanding or a sudden realization about a particular topic or problem. Insights can be seen as a form of intuitive understanding or aha moments when the mind makes a leap from fragmented perceptions to a cohesive understanding. They often involve seeing relationships, identifying underlying principles, or grasping the underlying meaning or significance of information. Q6018. An instructor may foster the development of insights by A. Helping the learner acquire and maintain a favorable self-concept. B. Pointing out the attractive features of the activity to be learned. C. Keeping the rate of learning consistent so that it is predictable. The correct answer is A. It recognizes the important role of self-concept in the development of insights. A favorable self-concept refers to a learner's positive perception of themselves, their abilities, and their potential for growth and learning. When learners have a favorable self-concept, they are more likely to approach new information and challenges with confidence, openness, and a belief in their own capacity to learn and make connections. By helping learners acquire and maintain a favorable self-concept, instructors create a supportive and conducive learning environment. This can involve providing positive feedback, acknowledging learners' efforts and progress, highlighting their strengths, and encouraging a growth mindset. When learners feel secure and confident in their abilities, they are more likely to engage in deep thinking, take intellectual risks, and actively seek connections and insights. Q6020. Name one way an instructor can help develop learner insights. A. Provide a secure and non-threatening environment in which to learn. B. Point out various items to avoid during the learning processes. C. Keep learning blocks small so they are easier to understand. The correct answer is A. Creating a secure and non-threatening learning environment is essential for promoting openness, risk-taking, and the exploration of new ideas. When learners feel safe and supported, they are more likely to engage in deep thinking, ask questions, and share their thoughts and perspectives. This sense of psychological safety encourages learners to take intellectual risks, make connections between ideas, and develop insights. By fostering an environment where mistakes are seen as opportunities for learning and where learners feel respected and valued, instructors can create the conditions necessary for insights to emerge. Learners are more likely to experiment, challenge assumptions, and think critically when they feel safe from judgment or negative consequences.